your girl's about to get an A1 workout. And I need you to do the same.
I can't just call you when the moon is rising. I'm craving every moment with you.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna position you right there. Ooh, you're looking good today, Yasmina. Confidence booster. Pat on the back. 2022 is all about self-confidence, body positivity, and loving yourself for all of you. So, good job. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing a how to get back on track, getting out of a fitness slump 2022, because I've been in one for the last 6 months for very personal reasons, and it's about time my got up, and I am going to show you guys how, or tell you guys how I did it and how you can too. Okay, so the first step into getting out of a fitness slump is understanding why you got into one in the first place. Now, I like to break this up into 3 categories: a beginner phase, an intermediate, and an advanced trainer. So let's go ahead and break it down. This one is typically going to be for the beginner. Guys, this is out of experience. I've been a beginner, I've been intermediate, and I've also been advanced. Let's just say you're a beginner. You've been following a routine you don't even really like. So whenever you get bombarded with life and school and work and issues, the first thing that goes is the gym, because that's your excuse out of it. You are going to the gym as a chore and not as a source of happiness, as a source of endorphins, and you're not feeling it, so you just don't want to be there. And you're typically always finding ways out of even going to the gym in the first place. Second case scenario is going to be for somebody that's intermediate and somebody that has maybe taken a week or 2 or maybe even a month off. This is somebody that's going to be a little bit harder on themselves than a beginner. A beginner doesn't want to go, versus an intermediate probably taking some time off that they didn't want to take off in the first place, and they're just not feeling themselves anymore. They don't want to put on their gym clothes, seeing any weight that they have gained, any muscle that they have lost, and they're just kind of shy to go back in the gym, having to get comfortable again, so they're just dreading going back to the gym in the first place, hence why they're no longer motivated. And for us advanced people, I've been training for 10 years. We're kind of crazy about the gym. We have a high and addictive behavior for those endorphins and serotonin levels. We are dying to go to the gym. But when we have taken long periods off, it's typically because we have fatigued and we have reached burnout. And that is because we don't give ourselves enough time off of the gym in the first place. If you ever heard the term hit the ground running, that's gonna be us. Lastly, it's gonna be because you guys are solely basing your gym experience on extrinsic motivation, such as fitting into a dress, buying new gym gear, and not focusing on, oh, this actually makes me feel really good when I leave, and when I get a really good workout in, I feel the pump, the burn, and I feel like I'm accomplishing something. When you are solely relying on extrinsic sources of motivation, you're not gonna have a good time doing it, and you just don't feel like going after a long period. Once you've reached that goal, you no longer have a desire to reach any other goal, hence why you probably lost motivation and no longer want to go to the gym. So those are gonna be the reasons why you probably lost motivation. There could be other reasons, but those are the ones that I, out of experience, have realized over the years of my life of working out as a beginner, intermediate, and as an advanced trainer. So if there's any other ones, just leave it in the comments below and let me know what makes you feel unmotivated, and maybe we can solve them together. Okay, world peace, guys, world peace. Now that we know why you've fallen off, maybe, or why I've fallen off over the last 6 months, we're gonna go ahead and get into how to actually get back into the gym. First thing you're gonna wanna go ahead and do is actually find a workout you enjoy. Okay, it's groundbreaking. Whoa! Shocking. You cannot go to the gym and work out with something you don't like doing. You don't like weight training? Okay, try something different. Try a spin class, try CrossFit, try something else that is gonna make you feel better. That's fine. You don't have to do what everybody else in the world is doing. Do what makes you happy, what's gonna make you feel like amazing when you leave the gym, wanting to come back for more. Okay? It's kind of like a good book or a movie. You get hooked in and kind of just gotta watch till the end, binge watch a series or read the whole book in one day. It's kind of like that, guys, and I promise you, just try it. Try something. Find something you love. You'll like it. Okay? Find a good movie, find a good TV series, find a good book, you're hooked, you're watching it for the next month. Same thing with the gym. Find something you love, you're hooked, you're gonna be there for the next month, and hopefully the rest of your life. Okay, guys? An example of this from my own life would be, I used to be a cardio bunny because all the girls were doing it back in the day, and they told me that lifting weights would make me a man. This is before the time and era where weight training was like this whole spiel, and like, wow, girls are doing it. We're in the gym, we're in the weight section, we're doing it. This is before that, okay? I used to hate cardio. I literally looked at the treadmill and I'm like, oh, me, we're not gonna do this today. And I would walk out of the gym after 10 minutes of being on it. And me and the treadmill would fight for 10, 20 minutes. And I didn't like it. So what did I do? I quit going. Okay, until I started watching a couple videos of weight training, and I tried it out one day and I was like, whoa, this is actually really good. So what did I do? I switched from being a cardio bunny to being a gym freak, and I love the weight section. I used to do it before the girls were in there. I literally would be the only girl in the weight section. I don't miss that. I love seeing all these beautiful girls around me now. You know, it's a better feeling, you know? But yeah, just find something you love. A perfect example of this that would fall under the beginner, intermediate, and advanced training sections as well would be, for example, a beginner. You just don't know what you want to do, so try it all. Go to group classes, try weight training. I know most gyms offer a free weight training session. Maybe try a weight training session with an experienced trainer. That way they can show you around the gym and it's not so awkward. Try that out, see if you like it. Try spin class. You can try so many things and see what you like. Whatever leaves you coming back for more, that's what you're gonna do as a beginner. As somebody that is intermediate, maybe you can go ahead and switch it up from time to time. You're finally figuring out what you like to do. Maybe try adding in a couple of things so you can see if you like other things as well, other than just weight training or just running. If you're a long-term marathon runner, try going into the gym 2 days out of the week and hitting a weight training session. Maybe you like that. And under the advanced category, these are people that are typically set in their ways, kind of like a 40-year-old man. Just saying, no shade. But typically they are set in their ways. If you are getting bored of your typical weight training, I know this happened with me. I just got really bored and I hated seeing the weights. Oh my goodness, like literally a weight, disgusting to me. You can try CrossFit, something a little bit more advanced, something that's gonna give you those endorphins and that rush and that excitement, something that's a little more complex and harder on you, because that's what we crave. We crave the beat up. We love to be beat up at the end of our session. Try that, okay? Try something different, more advanced than what you're already doing, okay? After you have established what you like doing, now it's time to establish your why. Why are you even working out in the first place? And I need you to do this in 2 different ways. First, your intrinsic motivating factor. So how does it make you feel to do what you like? You like weight training. How does weight training make you feel? Does it leave you hooked? Does it make you feel good? Do you want to leave the gym feeling accomplished and amazing? For example, for me, it saved me from an eating disorder. I always felt weak. I felt like I was never strong enough to conquer my eating habits, let alone picking up weight. So what did I do? I shoved myself in a scary position, which made me get comfortable, which made me feel stronger. So that's my purpose of why I intrinsically like working out. It saved my life. It makes me happy to go into the gym. It's not a punishment. When I go to the gym, I look at it as my playtime, my playground, kind of like recess in elementary school. I love going to the gym. I go to the gym and I'm actually excited to put on my workout gear. It's not like that every day. I mean, when I'm bloated, when I don't feel good, I'm like, God, like I'm gonna look fat right now in the gym. No, I'm just joking. Some days I'm not, like I'm a little bloated, but majority of the time, I can't wait to go to the gym. And that's how you need to be if you want to make this a lifetime thing. Secondly, you're gonna wanna go ahead and focus on your extrinsic motivations as well. This can be you fitting in a certain dress, you wanting to look a certain way for the summer, wanting to be a certain weight, size by a certain time period. These should not ever be your main focus, but it is another way of having extra motivation to push you in the gym in the first place. A lot of people are kind of against extrinsic motivation or fitting into a dress. I don't look at it as such a negative thing unless you're so hyper focused on that and nothing else. It is a good external way to feel like, okay, I'm working towards something. That's a start in the right direction. So your 2 factors, your why, which is your intrinsic and extrinsic motivation factors. Now we know what we like to do. Now we know our whys. Next up, you're gonna wanna go ahead and establish your actual goals. What is your body goal? How much weight do you want to lose, gain? Do you wanna lose fat? Do you wanna gain muscle? Establish your goals so you can work in the right direction of what you wanna do, and you can set yourself up success knowing what you want as the outcome. And lastly is going to be your plan. This is going to be the whole sum of it, okay? You knowing what you like to do, you knowing your why, your goals. Now your plan is going to go ahead and put you into that direction of getting to your goals, okay? Now we can go ahead and write a plan of, okay, so you like weight training, so let's fit it into your lifestyle. You have a very crazy work schedule. You may not be able to make it into the gym 5 times a week, so let's just go ahead and try to make it 3 days a week and make the workout routine fit for you. Do you have really scrawny arms and a really big bulky lower body genetically? Maybe you can do 2 upper body days and 1 lower lower body day because you want to kind of balance your body out. Do you have a very large upper body? You gain muscle very easy in your upper body and your legs don't? Why don't we go ahead and do 2 lower body days, 1 upper body day? That's just an example of a 3-day split, but you can literally put it up into so many different ways depending on your own lifestyle, guys. Your own lifestyle. Not me, not your sister, not my mom, not your mom, your lifestyle. You have a different time schedule than everybody else in this world. Don't go look at Tammy and Brew and don't go look at Kataya Henry, these freaking gorgeous girls on Instagram that have perfect bodies that are working out 5 to 7 days a week. That is their job, okay? Like you might not have that job. So what are you gonna do? Work out differently, and you can still get great results doing so. You don't have to follow their routine to get a body like theirs. Okay, somebody has to say it. These are just gonna be some extra tips that are definitely gonna help you. So let's go ahead and get into them. First tip would have to be start small and do not overdo it. If you are a beginner in the gym, don't be going into the weight training section and lifting 400 pounds. Don't be running on speed 10 at incline 14. You are going to hit a wall. You're gonna literally walk yourself home and never come back to the gym. That is a way to push yourself out of the gym. If you wanna make this a lifestyle, do things that are small yet so impactful. I will go ahead and give you an example of what I did. I took a 6-month period off of the gym for a lot of factors, and my body did change. And obviously taking that long off is going to change your body. Now, did I suffer horribly? Did my body go back the way it was from day one? No, absolutely not. I think I lost a lot of weight because I was walking a lot. I went to a different country, went through some personal things in my life, and I just had to take time off. That's why I say fit it into your lifestyle, guys. It's okay to take months off the gym. You're not gonna lose your results. I literally probably lost about 10 pounds, but my muscle is still there, and I've been working out for the last month, and my muscle is back, and we're working towards getting it back even better than from before. Don't give up if you've taken a couple months off. You also don't want to come back into it full force. That is not the right way. What I did, as somebody that's been training for over 10 years, I literally came back walking. I literally started walking outside in our neighborhood. And I know the weather might be cold where you're living, but I still walk in the snow. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Try going to the gym, start going to the gym, go walk on the treadmill and maybe an incline 5 or a 3 speed. Walk for about an hour and see how that feels for you. Then you can go ahead and up your speed on the treadmill and maybe go into the weight room twice a week. Start small. When you overdo it, you're going to be too sore to work out. You're gonna feel like absolute shit and you're not gonna wanna come back. What is the point of even doing that? Just like a child, you need to learn to crawl, then walk, then run. It's not gonna work any other way. A baby doesn't get up on his feet and start running, or he's gonna fall down the staircase and die. Like, that's just not how it works, guys. Crawl, walk, then run. You're gonna be so much happier, okay? That's just how it works. Second tip is going to be prepared. Set yourself up with some bomb ass music that you enjoy that's gonna get you pumped up, and listen to it on the way to your gym. Get pumped before you even walk into the gym. And on top of that, make sure your headphones are charged. There's nothing worse than getting to the gym and having your headphones dead. That's happened to me twice in my life, in the worst sessions possible. Thank God in the almighty above that the gyms in my area play music in the background. Amen. It's just not a good time, okay? Make sure your headphones are charged. Be prepared with your music, your headphones. Get pumping. Lastly, in this category, dress to impress you, yourself. Put on gym gear that you feel confident in, because when you look good for you and you're looking in that mirror, you're gonna push harder than last time. I notice when I go to the gym looking like a bum, I don't get very good sessions in, but when I'm looking at A1, your girl's about to get an A1 workout, and I need you to do the same. Last but not least, we're gonna be going into the fourth tip, which is diet. And I am not a registered dietitian, a doctor. Go see somebody if you need an actual diet plan. I'm not giving you a diet plan right now. I'm just telling you diet is 80% of your results. Same as tip number 1, slowly but surely get there. Do not overdo it. If you are becoming a clean freak out of nowhere, you're cutting out all these foods out of your diet, saying I'm gluten-free, I'm dairy-free, you are going to hit the ground running. Just like if you're running at incline 14 at speed 10. It's not going to work. You're going to flop. Slowly clean up your diet. Slowly add in more fruits, more veggies. Maybe take away a Coke and exchange it with a Diet Coke. Slowly make lifestyle changes in your diet that are gonna lead you to success and not a tub of KFC. Just try to have 3 balanced meals a day, such as your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the standard way of people eating. I know a lot of bodybuilders are like 5 meals a day, and that used to confuse me. I'm like,
but what happened to breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
And then I got me realizing like, oh, meal 1, meal 2, meal 3, meal 4, meal 5, there's 5 meals. 1, 2, 3 are breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the 2 are probably snacks. I needed a dumb guide when I first started, guys, and I didn't have it. So I'm Dumb and Dumber 101. I'm that book, guys. I'm gonna give that book for you because I know how that feels, okay? You're not alone. You're not alone. I know how it feels. I know how it feels. It's not the good feeling. When you feel like you don't know what you're doing, it's chaotic. The brain goes Keiko.
Keiko, Coco, Cuckoo.
Keiko. Girl, what you talking about? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave you with this. Take some pre-workout, get your nice outfit on, and get into the gym. Just do it like Nike says. Just do it. Once you get in the gym, once you get your body warmed up, just get into the workout, and I promise you, you're going to love your session. You're gonna feel amazing. So I hope these tips could have helped in any way, shape, or form. And I'll be back with more videos because, guys, I am on my YouTube grind and I'm gonna be posting videos every single week, maybe twice a week, because I've been filming like crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care, and as always, I love you guys, and I will catch you in my next video.
I've got to hold on to you.